great 2022 grape harvest at Stoneyard Vineyards has begun. And we see the bees are really eating a lot of these up here. Can't wait to get a final total of what we got out of this mess. It's not going to be a lot, I think, because of what these squirrels, the birds, and the bees are wreaking havoc on us. And I hope I don't get stung. The wife got stung the other day, and she's allergic to bees. It's not a happy time. Oh, these are actually screwed together. So it'll depend on what we're going to do here, what we'll be making this year. I don't know if you want to cut these right off of here, or
nope,
just work around everything.
Work it around until I get to where I need to be.
Oh, right here, look at that. This bunch is stuck around here, damn it. So yeah, we got a lot of peeling to do here. We hope we get enough to do a nice wine or something. Look at the bees. I'm going to guess maybe 15 pounds of grapes. We're going to weigh them. Not as much as I thought this year. The birds and the bees, they really devastated my three little plants here. They're still over there, the bees. So we'll flood this with water to kill any other creatures that are in there. We'll let it soak. We'll take it in the house, weigh them, separate them, and more than likely we're going to make jam out of them or jelly. Why wouldn't we? It's really not enough to make a Pyment or a wine. I don't think so. We can always change our mind once we're in there. But gotta have a mind to change, I guess. So we ended up with maybe 10, 15, 18 pounds of grapes again this year. I'm gonna probably turn these into jam, jelly, because I don't think there's enough to do grape or wine with them this year. They're all small. The bees and the bees really devastated the crop. Over there we cut it back already, and there's got to be a couple hundred bees in there yet. It's just sucking the juice out of the grapes. There's a few on there. There's hundreds of them on the ground. So yeah, we'll have to figure out a better way to do it next year. If there is a next year. Got the old candy thermometer out, and the wife decided only 15 pounds of grapes off of the vineyard this year. Gonna turn this into grape jelly. Why wouldn't we? We got the jars in there boiled down, ready. Sugar ready to go in. Turn this into a process. 6 beautiful pints of the grape jelly we made from the grapes this year off the vine, off the back there. No Pyment, no wines this year. We just went with the grape jelly. Tastes awesome. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pints we got out of that dynamite grape jelly. So we'll see what we do next year, if we make wine or not. Just put a pork butt on the big green egg. Time to relax and have a nice cold beer. Why wouldn't I? A couple hours in on the pork butt, and she's crackling. Listen to that. So she's doing good. We'll close it back up and let it do its thing. 2 hours in. There's our pork butt. Here comes an airplane. So this thing is ready to take in and cut up and serve. 4-hour cook. Beautiful.